In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Facebook. For some reason, you block somebody on Facebook and later you have a change of mind and you want to unblock the person, but you don't know how. I'm going to provide you a quick guide on how to unblock someone on Facebook. This is useful both on your desktop and phone device. On your phone, navigate to your Play Store and make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Then proceed to open. On your Facebook timeline, locate the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Then you need to scroll down till you locate settings and privacy and click on it. Then proceed to select settings. On this interface, you need to scroll down till you locate blocking. If you are struggling to locate this, you can proceed to click on this search and in the search box type blocking. And this will lead us to the same item we are looking for, in this case blocking. On this interface you could see blocked people, in this case say Ramakosia Setozi. It said once you block someone, that person can no longer see things that you post on your timeline. So to unblock the person, you can quickly tap on the name, then proceed to unblock. So the person has been unblocked successfully. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.